Welcome to Applaud Tutorials. In this tutorial, we install the Useful Links template and explore its contents. To install Useful Links, head to the Templates section from Admin Home. Then use the search function. Select the template. The window provides a brief description, features, usage, and contents. Using this template, you can organise and keep track of links for your users. When ready, select Install. Once the template has been installed, head to the Models section from Admin Home. Locate and select the useful link model that the template has added. This model has been pre-configured to store data like title, link, image, and from and to dates. Head to the Workflows tab to check out two new workflows attached to this model. One has been configured to send a reminder to the link author to check the link 3 days before it is due to expire. The other auto-expires the link once it has gone past the expiration date. Now head to the Pages section to check out more template functionality. Locate and select the Useful Links page. This is where all link items are visible. Select About to find out how to manage your links. This opens the About Useful Links page in a modal window. To add a new link, select Add. This opens the Edit Useful Link page in a modal window. Select an item from the list to make any changes. This will open the Edit Useful Links page in a modal window. This template also adds a search object, which you can find in the Search section accessible from Admin Home. Select the search object to edit its settings. On the search results page, you will now see a Useful Links filter. Congratulations, you have successfully completed this tutorial. Learn more at Applaud Academy or check out our knowledge base at support.applaudsolutions.com.